Hello everyone, if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay, so type hashtag replay. Here, I wanted to talk about the Mixen foundation that's on sale. In the meanwhile, I also wanted to talk about the test service because this is something I've been waiting to launch for so long, and finally, hi Samya, good morning, hope you're feeling better. And I know what is it like without announcing, I'm just starting with the eyebrows because I know once everyone hops on I can do the face and talk about the foundation. Before I forget, I wanted to talk about the text service because see, I have customers from Facebook, I have customers in Instagram and so on. So some people are even what is it like lives closer by, and they don't even be in my customer group, all those stuff. So what this test service is going to do is being a text service. As you all know, we all are being part of so many groups, and we all have so many friends in Facebook or Instagram. So if you go to mine and all, like literally I have close to 1,000 friends by now, and so every second when I open Facebook or Instagram, my feed goes to keeps changing. So sometimes what happens is unless they come inside the group and see it, they are going to miss post like a sale that happens. Sometimes even the sale happens for just one day or so, so they don't even notice it until because if they are not regular, they won't see the group feed also, because that's how Facebook's notification works too. So if you don't interact much, it's going to think that you're not interested in the group. So out of all your group, that's how the algorithm is going to work. So that's why this text service is going to be easy, because everyone has a number. That way, whenever a sale pops up, I can directly message you guys, and then it's up to you. Whenever you want to see it, you will be able to see. Here it's not like how the Facebook or Instagram feed works, so it's going to stay there unread until you open it. With all these social media, you can see it keeps changing. Hi Shobna, good morning. Shobna, hope you got the message, because today morning I sent my first message to whoever what's it like whoever signed up for the VIP text message. So don't think that it's a different number. It's a number that maintained by me. It's a paid service I pay for so that I can maintain it easily. That number is maintained by me, and I whatever you are messaging, it comes to me and it gets automatically stored. So when just many people just sent VIP alone. So thanks Shobna, thanks for confirming, because I wanted to make sure it reaches you guys. So that's why I sent the first message today. Usually I'm going to send only whenever it's needed, or any sale happens, all those kind of stuff. It's just like a messaging service, but one way I can connect with all of you. So once you send VIP, I think it will ask your first name, last name, and also it will ask you your email address. So, and also to subscribe to the text service. So make sure you finish till that, because half of you are leaving halfway, then it doesn't get stored and it doesn't make sense. So make sure you do that. Way you are put under the customer group, so I can message you guys all at once, and it makes it easy for me too. And as I was saying, like it helps so much with not to miss the post, like because when Thanksgiving Day happens, like anytime, for example, if you see the Make Sense Foundation sale, it started yesterday and it ends tomorrow night California time. But you won't believe like how many will come back and ask me, because they don't interact much in the group. So what happens is Facebook will show the post after 2-3 days. So by the time when they see the post, the sale might be already over. So that's the reason I ask you guys to do subscribe to the text service, so that way I can send everybody the same message at the same time, and you all will get it, and you will be able to open and see it anytime you later. So the sale was for the Make Sense foundation alone. So here it's my shade which I have. This is the full size. So all our the Pearlizer, or if you have CCTM, they all are from the same size. So CCTM is like a light coverage. It's very light everyday coverage, whereas foundation is like little bit heavy coverage. So I'm going to show how it color corrects. I don't have anything on my face today. I just finished my workout, so I always do the get ready with me in different combos, because each person's requirement may be different. For example, for an everyday look, I have done CCTM as alone. I have used CCTM with mixing with concealer. I have done CCTM mixed with foundation. I have done foundation mixed with Pearlizer. So there are so many get ready with me videos which are under the playlist in my YouTube channel also, or you can search it here. Hello, Cloudy is here. All those you can see. Today I'm just going to use foundation as it is. Since the sale is going to be on that, I wanted to show just that, and that's why maybe I will finish. If I have time, I will finish the rest in live, or else I finish and post you guys. So the cool thing about SeneGence foundation is they are oil free and they don't oxidize. So here if you see, I have already primed my face, and this technique is called stippling. What I'm doing is I'm just placing it like closer to each other, so that way I can get like a nice coverage. And the cool thing about SeneGence foundation is they are oil free, and they are comes with our Senaplex complex, which is our proprietary kinetic enzyme, which is going to help with faster cellular turnover. So it comes with skincare benefits to it, and also they are water resistant all day wear, and you can see how well it can adapt to my skin tone. So do you see, this is the area that is corrected, so you can see the unevenness here, whereas here it slowly start to adapt to my skin tone, and color adjust up to 3 shades up and down. So that way, even if you are like a little darker in summer, tan, I like to keep mine one shade darker, so I use Pecan, which is my shade. So here I wanted to show, you can see this side I have just used just the foundation. If you are using with concealer or color correcting, all those stuff, it's going to be even more coverage. But today, since the sale is just on foundation, I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to not only apply, but it's going to be all day wear. And all our products, like whether our primer, our foundation, our CCTM, all are non-comedogenic. That means they don't clog your pores, because I have seen many people come and say, oh, if I have used foundation, I immediately break out, and it doesn't feel cakey or oily at all. You can see how lightweight it is, and also it's going to be all day wear, and it won't make you feel heavy at all. It literally, I even whenever I get ready for going out or something, I even get ready around like even an hour before or so, because by the time I head out, it will be nicely adapted to my skin, and I don't have to worry about it smudging all over, like what is it, like it doesn't transfer much. And if you want, you can even set it with the powder. Yeah, Shobna, whether it's workout or whether you do sweating, whether people who sweat a lot too, this is going to stay really nicely. And you can see it gives like a very flawless coverage. And even for people who are new to what is it, like applying foundation or anything, it is not going to be like too tricky. You just invest on a one good brush, that's all it is. And if you want, you can always do like powder on top, or you can do Pearlizer underneath. You can mix with Pearlizers. Today I didn't want to complicate it much, so that's why I'm keeping it as it is. I may just what is it, like use and other thing about this is, if I don't know whether you guys got with your Thanksgiving Day ordered the new beauty book. It looks amazing. Actually, every time they make it look even more clean. So here you have all the shadows, I mean all the shades of the foundation listed. So here I have mine almost here. As I said, I like to use it a little bit darker. So I use Pecan, which is a neutral shade. So here even they have given how you find whether you are a cool tone, warm tone or a neutral tone. So based on your veins, you will be able to say whether whichever you are. I use Pecan, which is like a neutral tone. So here they will say whether gold jewelry looks good on you, whether silver jewelry looks good on you, all those kind of stuff. Similar way, I use even a foundation that is little darker in shade. That way I can use as a contour shade for that. So I'm going to show how I'm going to use Deep Caramel, which is again a foundation, Make Sense foundation shade. Here I'm going to use it. I think I have covered contouring in a separate video already. So here I'm going to just use it and just blend it across. Because the advantage with using the foundation itself is going to be they both blend really well, and they look seamlessly, and you don't feel like you have what's it like do a separate one. Here the formula is so similar, so they blend really well. And so that's another thing. Being in sale, you can always pick a shade that is like 2-3 shades darker than yours, and you can use it. I use even Deep as my contouring shade. What this does is when you use your foundation as it is, you are going to take away all the shadows that are present naturally. So adding it back is going to give that warmth, and that's it. So you will feel like you have brought back all the jawline and any natural cheekbones you had. And I always tell my customers, like, if you like little bit lighter, then I will help with that. But my preference is always matching your skin tone. If you have got me the samples, you can always tried it out, because I always make sure I do them. And I am also going to show a way how you are going to send me a picture of yourself if you wanted me to color match. If you have never done sample, or if you're confused on how you do, the best way to do best way to do take a picture is not under the direct sunlight. If you see myself, I'm little far away from my, I will show. Yeah, do you see? I have a wide window. I'm just outside. I'm going to lift it a bit before I go ahead and do my rest of the makeup. Let me show you. So do you see? You need to stand against the window. That way you take a picture. Don't stand like this, because I cannot see your natural shade at all. So make sure you stand in front of a broad window in daylight. You don't have to be too close or anything, but this will give me an idea on how I can color match you well. And that way I'll be able to say which shade you will be able to do. And the original price of the product was $50, but currently it's on sale for $42. And if you are a Kiss and Tell member, I'm sure most of mine are, because I made sure I enrolled almost most of them during the when they had the free sign up. I dropped it. Where did I drop? So 1 second, I'll just keep it, otherwise Cloudy will come and take it. Yeah. So as I was saying, with the foundation, the other thing you guys can do is foundation is can be layered. So if you want even more coverage, you can do CCTM CCTM as one layer, and then you can go over with foundation on top of it. or even you can even do foundation as one layer. Let it sit. As I said, it's going to take the color matching technology is going to start slowly adjusting to your skin tone. Then what you can do is you can just take one more layer of the same foundation and use it again. So here I'm just going to do like a very simple eye look. Since we are just concentrating on the foundation, I'm just going to do very quickly. Here I'm using Pink Posy as my crease color. I haven't even uh, touched my base for today, because my aim for today is just to show you the coverage of the foundation, because these foundations will last you so long. For me, I mostly use just one layer of the one whole pump. That's my everyday amount that I use. Me and Shobna always talk about it. Cloudy, no? Me and me and Claudia, me and Shobna always talk about it. Like we both like to use a half a pump of each, like CCTM half a pump versus half a pump of 1 second, guys. Claudima, go play. Come, go play. Go play. Go catch it. So the favorite way of me and Shobna is like we always use half a pump of each. That's how we like it. So it's basically your preference, how much ever you want to do. You can do half of foundation, you can do one full pump of foundation, or then layer it. Here I'm using Americano as my all over color. You can see I haven't cleaned my brushes too today. So yesterday it was um, like a busy day, since I was working with that automation, and I am also working with one more program for like saving all the details for the customers. So I got so busy yesterday. So today I'm just doing like a base makeup so that I can show you guys the versatility of these products. I used Pink Posy, then I have used Americano as all over lid shade, and I am using Copper Rose Shimmer because this dress is all gold. So that's what I'm using. With I know many people grabbed so many shadows, but if you always want me to have like a one-on-one, please always make sure to ping me for a slot. It's so easy once you start using it, then you will never go back to your regular powdered shadows, because this is so easy. Not only that, it's going to be staying all day with the Senaplex complex in it, and the ways you can use is always so fun. For example, you can see I have used Americano and Copper Rose Shimmer. Same way, Pink Posy is my favorite blush. So I'm going to take a little bit of Pink Posy and just use the same as my blush shade. So the cool thing about these products is the versatility of the products, and also each one comes with the skincare benefits in it. That way it is like you are adding anti-aging benefits even in your skincare. So make sure you guys send the details. Thank you so much whoever is doing it now. I started getting the VIP messages again. So that way it makes it easy for you also to keep the current things going on, and even I can automate the ordering system in the future. Hi Mansa, good morning. Hope you got the message, Manasa. I know I have sent out the first message in the morning for people who did already. So I'm going to do my pencil for the quick get ready, and then I can do mascara, and I can show you a simple gloss, and that way we can finish it off with this. And similar way, I'm just waiting for my rose gold pencil. My rose gold pencil is on the way. It got shipped, so I can't wait to do it. Awesome, Mansa. Thank you for confirming. You guys make it easy for me because whenever I test something, even I learn as it goes because all these are even new to me. So that way, when you guys can just what to say, like be part of it, it really helps me. And it makes it easy also because I know with so much going on for us, we all tend to forget. But uh, having this in one place is going to really make a huge difference for me as well as the customers, because that way they can be notified anytime when the sale pops up. They don't have to wait for me to announce. Here I can just send them, like how the Kiss and Tell tells I think Kiss and Tell also sends messages to the customers, I believe, if I'm not wrong. So similar way, this way I can communicate whatever I want to, and when you guys place the order through it, I'll be able to easily communicate with all too. Do you see the difference between just the mascara alone? This is just non-waterproof. With the waterproof, you will even have more volume to it. Most of the time I use the non-waterproof for my everyday wear. And the two key things about I learned in one of the, what do you call, one of my training, makeup training sessions is, one is really difficult, which is like you need to do this is easy, like top and bottom on the right. But what do you want, Cloudy? Do you want anything, baby? What do you want? You want to meet everybody? Do you want to say hi? You want to say hi, Kanna? What do you want? Where is you? Where is Cloudy? So doing it top and bottom. Yeah, that's what, Mansa, because here our feed keeps changing so much. Like we all are part of so many groups and we all are part of so many pages. So do you see just with the, yeah, do you hear him? He sneezes, that means he wants something. Let me lift him. What do you want, baby? What do you want? Come, everyone wants to see you. You have to come to me, then only I can lift you. He wants me to play in the morning. That's what he wants all the time. So I'm just going to do a glass to finish it, so that I can, what is it, like I can show the final look. I'm going to use the apple cinnamon that's still there. What do you want? What do you want, Cloudy? You need to let me pick you, then only I can lift you up. Yeah. Do you see? This is the finished look. With the glosses, this is another thing you guys can do. For example, this is just one layer of it. Whereas if you want, you're going to get from me now. What do you want? What do you want? Come to me. He wants me to lift, but he doesn't have his collar, so I don't have a hold of it. So he is running. So you can always do second layer or third layer if you want the gloss to show up more. I got you. Good. See, say hi. Take hi. It's very cold outside today, so he was like wearing a sweater and then he got so hot, so I removed his sweater along with his what's it, like his collar. So without collar, he will sneak in. You can't even get hold of him so soon. Thank you, Manasa, for all the hearts. See, say thank you. Say thank you. Being a good boy. Go find it. Go find. Hold. So, do you see, that's it. I have very, what is it, like minimal things. I just used Pecan is the only one that I have it on my face. Then I did my eyebrows. I did very simple eye look. I have mascara and eye pencil. I just have a gloss. That's all I did. But because today I want the foundation to be the center, because as I was mentioning, I have so many different types of mixing and matching. So you will be able to find all of them under my Get Ready With Me videos in my YouTube playlist. With Senegens, the versatility will make you learn more and more, and the ease of use and its staying power will make you use it again and again, because here it is not only all day, but it gives you a flawless finish in such a quick time. I think hardly I might have took 20 minutes even explaining and doing, but if I have to do by myself, it will hardly take, like I would say, 5 to 7 minutes max, because once you master it doing this kind of things, it will make you easy. I have even done just 3 products where I have used just a gloss, your foundation or CCTM, and then eye pencil. So it is like you will always pick Cloudy Ma. No, no. See, everybody will be asking, are you a bad boy? Are you a bad boy? No, right? You're a good boy. So that is how you will curate what you like. I have seen some people who always never go out without their mascara. Some people will never go out with their eyeliner. So it is always depends on you. Similar way, I will consider LipSense as one. But if you're thinking LipSense as one and lip gloss, then it's up to you. But once you start LipSense, I think lip gloss is a little difficult, because you never want your LipSense to smudge or transfer. So that way, even LipSense can be your one of the products. So what is it, like that adaptation is based on customization, is based on individuals. So it can be different for different people. And make sure you grab the foundation before tomorrow night California time. So it's 42 for normal customers. For Kiss and Tell, it will be 37.8. So it's such a great deal for a foundation that's going to last you so long. I would say even if you use every single day, this should last you at least 4 to 6 months, because that's how much product will be there. And even if you use every day, you won't break out. You can see as you use, your skin will slowly start to look much better, I would say, because it comes with skincare. It's not just junk makeup where it is going to be oily, or where it's going to feel sticky. Those kind of feels will never be there. And the other cool benefit is it comes with the built-in mechanical shield, which is equivalent to SPF 15 in them. That way, yes Mansa, yours is Pecan. So that way what happens is it acts like as if you have a shirt on top of your face. For example, if you go out in sun, you will tan more where you haven't covered versus where you have covered. So this is how it's going to act like. So with Senegens products, even when I'm in a vacation or beach, I will still try to use them even as a CCTM or foundation, because it's going to act as extra protection layer for my sun when I am out all day. So that's another cool benefit of it. So I felt like the amount I tan became less and less as I started using this, because being in NC, we have sun year around. Like I would say almost 10 months we have a nice weather out. And also I like to go out for walking. Now that cloudy is there, it's like such a part of our everyday routine. So on top of that, I don't tan crazy. I have even posted a picture in the group where in my last, not last, I think the previous Indian trip, you will not even identify myself. It will be like I might have tanned that much, because you all know, like, we don't like that sticky sunscreen, so I have never used much sunscreen before Senegen's. So with Senegen's sunscreen, at least it is not sticky, so that way I make sure to use it as part of my skincare when I finish it. But before that, I never had that habit. So even if you are in winter, make sure you use your SPF broad spectrum sunscreen, because if you are someone who uses retinol, you need to use a broad spectrum sunscreen in the morning, because your skin is sensitive. Otherwise, whatever you are treating with retinol, you will lose all the benefits in the morning. So these are like small tips that you can always change to your routine, and that is going to help you have a better skin routine. And hope you all have a wonderful day, guys, and message me with whether if you want to color match yourself, if you don't know your foundation shade, or if you have foundation from other brands, you can always send me. I can color match that too. I can do both. So have a wonderful day. See you all soon.